What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as y'all can see, I got the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL on deck. Now, guys, I'm in a different space in my life, so I'm actually making a different type of video. Now, as far as the YouTube go, shout out to you guys. We just reached 10,000 subscribers, and if you've been watching and not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. So as far as YouTube go, I gotta get more serious about the business aspect of what I'm doing on YouTube. And then also, as far as my personal life go, there are goals that I have to reach in my personal life also. So with that being said, I'm gonna use the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL combined with Gemini Advanced to basically change my life. What's going on, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Pixel on deck, and I want to talk to you guys. Now, we're talking about the Pixel and life changing, and I want to explain this to y'all and go through this with y'all, and I want to keep y'all up to date on this process because you guys on my channel know how I feel about the Pixel. It's a lot I like about the Pixel as far as stock Android. You guys know I like the photography and things of that nature, and you guys know I'm not a big fan of the Tensor G4, the processor in this device. But now, when it comes to AI, artificial intelligence, Tensor G4 is specifically geared towards that. That's why this device has 16 gigs of RAM. And I'm going to be involving Gemini a lot because I've done some experiment with Gemini and some playing around with Gemini. You can do a lot of dope stuff with Gemini. As far as artificial intelligence and smartphones, it's not the primary reason to buy a smartphone yet, or not the main feature of a smartphone like they try to advertise it. It's really not that yet, guys, unless you make it. You have to be curious and wanting to use some of these features and make the best of them to get the most out of artificial intelligence on smartphones. Now, as far as AI and Gemini goes, guys, and how I'm going to utilize that to actually change my life, I'm just using that to educate myself on different subjects. I've noticed Gemini is really good with that, helping you with plans, giving you information, giving you teachable lessons. What are good lenses for Canon cameras when you're trying to record top-down videos?
If you're going for that overhead shot, a wide-angle lens is your best bet. It'll let you capture more of the action.
And while I'm on YouTube and actually trying to get my business together, that's helping me with emails, helping me with spell correct, just certain things, coming off more professional, coming up with video ideas. I can shoot these things back and forth with Gemini Live and come up with some good, dope content, and also have an idea of what I should be pushing towards and how I should be handling my business as a content creator, and other ideas that could push my content creating business further. Now, in my personal life, I plan to be a more healthy individual. So hitting up Gemini for things like ideas for meals that's low calorie or different exercises to target different muscles. It's just a wealth of things that AI can help you with, especially Gemini Advanced. It can guide you in many ways, giving you lists, giving you all types of plans and things that you don't have to exactly use, but you can borrow some other information and some of the knowledge that Gemini offers. Now, also with me wanting to level up myself as a content creator, guys, it comes with a level of polishedness. Like, see, that go a word I might have just created. You want to come off as polished. So I have to actually start thinking about more and planning more about what my videos are going to be about, the scripts and how they work. And I noticed one thing that I can do really well with my Pixel is voice dictation because of the AI capabilities. This dictation on the Pixel 9 Pro XL never misses. So that way I can actually brainstorm or come up with a script while I'm freestyling and then go over that script after I freestyled it and basically the Pixel done wrote it down for me. I can correct it and have a nice clean script. So when I want to do a very professional video or very professional voiceover or some type of ad, then I come off as way more polished and professional because of the preparation I was able to do using AI and the Pixel. Now, a lot of times my motivation comes from research, guys. So when even I'm on apps like Instagram, that's social media, when I see different phones and desk setups, that motivate me and that make me think about things that I would like to do and things that I would like to create on my channel. And so now when I research everything that motivates me, I could keep a catalog of it and keep an idea of things that I would like to do or try. And I believe when it comes to anything that you want to attain, any goals that you want to achieve, planning and preparation is real. So me, I'm terrible at planning out my content. And I've been saying this that I was going to do this for years, guys. But I'm terrible at planning out my content, and I'm going to force myself to use this device along with Google Calendar to actually come up with like a rough draft of how I want to drop my content so I can be consistent and so I can keep the ideas flowing. Not when I get a chance to make content, I'm starting from ground zero. I don't know what I'm gonna make. I don't know what I'm gonna talk about. I want to have things planned out. And I think that'll be the most effective way for me to go at my content. And also, keep notes. This is how dictation will help also. When I have those ideas in my head, because you might be in the supermarket and get a great idea in your head, but don't jot it down. Now with the Pixel, like I said, I love the voice dictation on this thing. I can pull out keep notes, start talking, and really just save that thought that was in my head into my Pixel so I can incorporate it into my further planning. So at this point, I'm utilizing the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL for its best feature, and that's integrated artificial intelligence. This is definitely a teacher. This is definitely an instructor. This is definitely a planner. This is definitely a secretary. So yes, this isn't the device with the performance processor, but it's definitely one of the devices where you can actually get some real information and apply it to your life from Gemini. And I mean, you can get that from different devices, and Gemini are on different Android devices, but I feel like Google also just has a lot of bait in artificial intelligence at this point and just all around productivity. I'm excited about what can be done with the Pixel 9 Pro XL, and I'm going to keep y'all up to date. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.